Welcome to your Maths Online class. Today we are going to discuss our last topic of rational numbers. So our first topic is find one rational number between two rational numbers. What is that? Find a rational number or one rational number between two rational numbers. Listen. Suppose given two rational numbers 2 by 2 and 4. What is the rational number between 2 and 4? We know that is 3. So 3 is the rational number between 2 and 4, or 3 is the middle term of 2 and 4. Ready? Then next, suppose given another rational number 2 and 10. What is the rational number between middle term of 2 and 10, or what is the rational number between 2 and 10? Just to find its what is the rational number or middle number of 2 and 10? That is 6. How you got 6? 6 is the middle of 2 and 10. How to find the middle of 2 and 10? Just find its average. How to find its average? By adding these two numbers and divide by 2. Summation of these two numbers and divide by 2. That means 2 plus 10 divided by 2. What is that? 12 divided by 2. Its answer is 6. That means, suppose given a number A and given another number B, what is the middle value of A and B, or what is the rational number between A and B? How you got a rational number between A and B? Just find its average. What is the average of A and B? A plus B divided by 2. A plus B divided by 2. Clear? Then what is the rational number between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5? How to find a rational number between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5? We want to find a rational number or one rational number. To find a rational number between two rational numbers, find its average. What is the average of 1 by 2 and 3 by 5? Just add these two rational numbers and divide by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5 divided by 2. How to find 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5? Just to cross multiply. 1 into 5, 5 plus 2 into 3, 6 divided by 2 into 5, 10 divided by 2. How to convert a division into multiplication? By taking its reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 2? That is 1 by 2. Ready? 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Reciprocal of 7 is 1 by 7. Reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Clear? Then 5 plus 6 is 11 divided by 10 into 1 by 2. How to multiply these two fractions? Direct multiplication. Ready? Then 11 into 1, 11 divided by 10 into 2, 20. Clear? Next, how to find a rational number between 3 by 4 and 5 by 7? We have to find one rational number between 3 by 4 and 5 by 7. Just to find its average. What is the average of 3 by 4 and 5 by 7? Just find its average by adding these two numbers and take its half. 3 by 4 plus 5 by 7 divided by 2. Then simplify 3 by 4 plus 5 by 7 by cross multiplication. 3 into 7, 21 plus 4 into 5, 20 divided by 4 into 7, 28. Divide by 2. How to convert division into multiplication? By taking its reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. Then 21 plus 20 is 41 divided by 28 into 1 by 2. Then multiply 41 into 1, 41 divided by 28 into 2, that is 56. Ready? It is very simple. So our topic is how to find a rational number between two rational numbers. To find one rational number between two rational numbers is a plus b divided by 2, or take its average. So here 11 by 20 is a rational number between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5, or you can say that 11 by 20 is the middle term of 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Clear? What is the middle term of 3 by 4 and 5 by 7? That is 41 divided by 56. So listen, next our topic is find rational numbers between two rational numbers. First topic is find a rational number or one rational number. So here find rational numbers, two rational numbers, three rational numbers, four rational numbers, etc. 5 rational numbers between two rational numbers. How to find more than one rational numbers between two rational numbers? Listen here. So suppose given a question, find three rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 7 by 5. Find three rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 7 by 5. So first step, what is our first step? Step 1 is make the denominator as same. Make the denominator as the same number. Same number. Ready? So make the denominator as the same number. So here denominator is same number. Ready? Step 2. Step 2. Expand by multiplying a number. By multiplying a number. This is the step. Listen. Here we have to find three rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 7 by 5. What is our first step? Make the denominator as the same number. So here equal numbers 5, 5. So step is number is okay. Next, what is the numbers? 2 by 5. So first number is 2 by 5. Last number is 7 by 5. We want three rational numbers between these two numbers. What is the next number of 2 by 5? 3 by 5. Next number of 3 by 5? 4 by 5. Next number of 4 by 5, that is 5 by 5. Next number of 5 by 5, 6 by 5. Ready? So you can take any three numbers from here, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 or 5 by 5, or you can take 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 6 by 5. Ready? This is the method to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. Listen, suppose our question is find three rational numbers or four rational numbers between 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. What is the first step? Make the denominator as same numbers. So here 2 by 5 and 4 by 5 same number. Then, so first number is 2 by 5. Last number is 4 by 5. How many numbers between 2 by 5 and 4 by 5? What is the next number of 2 by 5? Next number of 2 by 5 is 3 by 5. What is the next number? That is 4 by 5 here. So here only one rational number between these two rational numbers. We want four rational numbers. So what is step 2? Expand by multiplying a number. So here we have to expand 2 by 5 and 4 by 5 by multiplying any number. For uniqueness, I am multiplying. So here 4 rational numbers. Okay. Here we have to find 4 rational numbers. So here 2 by 5 into next number of 4. Not multiplied by 4. Next number of 4 multiplied by next number of 4. What is the next number of 4? 5. So here multiplied both side by 5. Here also multiplied both number by 5. What is the answer? 10 by 25 and 20 by 25. Then what is the rational numbers between these two rational numbers? So 11 by 25. next 12 by 25, next 13 by 25, next 14 by 25, etc. We want only 4 numbers, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it clear? Don't worry, it will clear on next question. So listen. Find 3 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So before doing this question, you have to know how to find the LCM of 2 numbers. How to find the LCM of 2 and 3. What is the LCM of 2 and 3? In the lower class you already studied that how to find LCM of 2 and 3. First you write here 2, 1, here 3. Next you write here 3, 1, 1. Then LCM is equal to 2 into 3, 6. Ready? This is the method to find LCM, and I will give a shortcut to find LCM. To find the LCM of 2 and 3, take the large number of 2 and 3. What is the large number of 2 and 3? 3. Then write it's a multiplication table. What is the multiplication table of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. Then you can divide 2 in 3. No, so 3 is not a LCM of 2 and 3. Can you divide 2 in 6? Yes, so it is the LCM. Next, can you divide 2 in 9? No, it is not LCM. Can you divide 2 in 12? Yes. Then what is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6 or 12? LCM is lowest value. What is the lowest value? 6. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Suppose 3 and 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? Take the larger number here. What is the larger number? 4. Then it's a multiplication table. 4 in 4, 3 we cannot divide by 3. So 4 is not a LCM. Next 8 we cannot divide by 3. It is not a LCM. Next 12 you can divide by 3. Ready? So 12 is the LCM of 3 and 4. Suppose 2 and 6. What is the LCM of 2 and 6? Take the larger number 6. Then write its multiplication table 6. Can you divide 6 by 2? Yes. So 6 is the LCM of 2 and 6. Next 3 and 5. What is the LCM of 3 and 5? Take the large number here 5. So in 5, 10, 15. So 15 you can divide by 3. So 15 is the LCM. Ready? Then here find 3 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. What is our first step? Make the denominator as same numbers. So here 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Here divide by 4. Here divide by 2. Denominator is not equal. So we have to step 1 make the denominator as same. So here 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. How to make denominator is same? To make denominator same, first of all we have to find its LCM. What is the LCM of 4 and 2? LCM of 4 and 2. So here 2 and 4. What is the large number? 4. What is the multiple table of 4? 4, 8, etc. 4. You can cancel 2 in 4. So 4 is the LCM of 4 and 2. Then here 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Step 2, make the denominator as same by multiplying any number. So divide by 4. Okay. Next, how to convert 2 into 4? By multiplying by a number. 2 into which number will get 4? 2 into 2. So You multiply 2 in numerator and denominator. Then 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. So what is the rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4? 1 by 4, 0 by 4, no. 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. Is there any rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4? No. Then we have to expand these rational numbers. How to expand this number? So here 3 rational numbers. So to expand 1 by 4 and 2 by 4, just to multiply any number. So here 3 rational numbers, so multiplied by next number of 3. What is the next number of 3? 4. So 4. Multiplied by 4. What is 1 into 4? 4 divided by 16 and 8 divided by 16. Ready? What is the rational numbers between 4 by 16 and 8 by 16? 5 by 16, 6 by 16, 7 by 16, 8 by 16. 1, 2, 3. We want only 3 rational numbers. So 5 by 16, 6 by 16, 7 by 16. Ready? It will be more clear on next question. Don't worry. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. That is first question. It's a sub question. Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So listen. First, what is first step? 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Make the denominator as equal numbers. So here 3 and 5 which are not equal. Then find its LCM. What is LCM of 3 and 5? LCM of 3 and 5. So here take the large number 5. 5, 10, 15. 15 is also multiple of 3. So take the LCM as 15. So 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So we have to make the denominator 15. 3 into which number will get 15? 3 into 5. 5. Here 5 into which number is 15? 5 into 3. So here into 3. So 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. Ready? So what is the rational number between 10 by 15 and 12 by 15? That is next number of 10 by 15, 11 by 15, then 12 by 15. So how many numbers 10 by 15 and 12 by 15? Only one number, that is 11 by 15. We want 5 rational numbers. So we have to expand these rational numbers by multiplying next number of 5. Next number of 5. We have to expand. So 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. Just multiplied by which number? We want 5 numbers. So just multiply next number of 5. 6. 6. Here also 6. So 60 divided by 6 into 15, 6 into 5, 30, balance 3, 1, 6, 6, 90. And here 72 divided by 90. 2 into 6, 12, balance 1, 6, 7, 72. So we want 5 rational numbers between these numbers. What is next numbers? 61 divided by 90, 62 divided by 90, 63 divided by 90, 64 divided by 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 65 divided by 90. Ready? Next. So you got 5 rational numbers between these 2 rational numbers. Next, what is the second question? Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So here is LCM same? No. Here denominator 2, denominator is 3. So second question, minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. What is our first step? Make the denominator as same number or equal number. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? What is the LCM of 2 and 3? Large number is 3. So what are the multiplication of 3? 3 6. 6 is also multiple of 2, or you can divide 6 by 2. So, 6 is the LCM. Otherwise, you can find like this 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1. This is out of fashion. Okay. So, answer is 2 into 3, 6. Okay. So, here LCM is 6. Then make the denominator as 6. 2 into which number will get 6? 2 into 3. Then multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So, here you have to make this 3 into 6. 3 into which number will get 6? 2 into 3 into 2. Then what is the answer? Minus 9 divided by 6 and 10 divided by 6. Then what is the numbers between minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6? Minus 9 by 6. What is the next number? Suppose number like this. Here 10 by 6. Here minus 9 by 6. What is the next number? Minus 8 by 6. Minus 7 by 6. Minus 6 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. Minus 4 by 6, etc. How many numbers we want? 5 numbers. So, minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6. It is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? So, answer is minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6 and minus 4 by 6. Clear? So, answer is next. Find fourth question. Find 10 rational numbers between, in fourth question, first question, find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Here is denominator is same? No. We have to make denominator as same. So, what is the LCM of 4 and 5? Here large number is 5. Then what is the multiple table of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 is not a multiple of 4. 10 is not a multiple of 4. 15 is not a multiple of 4. 20 is multiple of 4. So, here 20 is the LCM of 4 and 5. So, LCM is 20. Then 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Then we have to make denominator as 20. 5 into which number will get 20? 5 into 4. Then numerator and denominator multiplied by 4. Here 4 into which number will get 20? 4 into 5. 3 into 5. So 12 divided by 20 and 15 divided by 20. How many numbers between 12 divided by 20 and 15 divided by 20? 13 divided by 20, 14 divided by 20, next 15 divided by 20. So, only 2 numbers. We want 10 rational numbers between these 2 numbers. So, we have to expand these 2 numbers. How to expand? By multiplying more than or by multiplying next number of 10. What is next number of 10? That is 11. So, here in 12 by 20 and 15 divided by 20 multiplied by 11. Numerator and denominator multiplied by 11. What is the answer? 12 into 11, 132 divided by 220 and 50 into 11, 165 divided by 220. Then you can say that what is the 10 rational numbers between 132 and 165 divided by 220? 133 divided by 220, 134 divided by 220, 135 divided by 220, 136 divided by 220, 137 divided by 220, 138 divided by 220, 139 divided by 220, 140 divided by 220, 141 divided by 220, 150 divided by 220. Ready? These are the topics. Okay. Thank you.